Hi viewers, welcome to Excel Tutorial Hub. In this video, we are going to learn the Countif function in Excel. The Countif function in Excel is a powerful tool to count the number of cells within a range that meet a specified condition or criteria. Let's walk through the function with the help of this table. So, here we have a list of atoms and their corresponding category. We also have a criteria column here. Suppose we want to find how many atoms belong to the fruit category. We can use the Countif function to find. So for that, we need to type here is equal to Countif, open parenthesis, highlight the range, press comma, click on criteria. In our case, fruit is criteria. Close parenthesis and press enter. So that's how we found that two atoms belongs to the fruit category. Now let's find out how many atoms belong to the electronics category. So for that, we need to follow the same procedure. We need to type here is equal to Countif, open parenthesis, highlight the range, press comma, click on criteria, which is electronics, close parenthesis and press enter. Now I will drag it down. So that's how we can use the Countif function in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, like and share this video and subscribe Excel Tutorial Hub for more interesting videos about Excel.